Hey guys, welcome back to Broke People's Guide. Today, I am putting on a smiley face because I am so mad. As you can see by the title, this is a review of my LG TV.
LG TV?
Let me tell you something. LG TV, 55-inch, webOS, all that. Where do I begin? I was having issues connecting to Wi-Fi. No available networks were popping up. There was no list. My Wi-Fi wasn't on there, the neighbor, none of them were popping up. So I started using a Fire Stick. The Fire Stick connected to my Wi-Fi. Then after a while, the volume stopped working. It would just stop. At very important scenes of a movie, like it'll skip the most important sentence of the whole movie, and then it would just, you could hear again. Well, as the days went by, it started happening more and more and more. Later on, whenever it happened, I had to press pause. So I would have to pause and then play, and then the volume would start working again. This happened at least every 15 minutes or so. That's a lot of pausing and playing and pausing and playing. And that's if I had luck with the Wi-Fi working. On top of that, the power button wasn't working. Sometimes I would have to hold it down the way you would with a computer. Sometimes I had to do it fast. It was an obstacle getting that thing to turn off and on. My other issue is Geek Squad. Geek Squad is supposedly an authorized service person or something for LG. They can send out a Geek Squad person to do a repair on their behalf, right? Wrong. There is a lot of miscommunication between LG and Geek Squad. A lot of back and forth. Oh, we need to look at this. The right part didn't come in, or the right part did come in and it still didn't work. It's been a long time. I'm frustrated. I do not like LG right now. And I do not like Geek Squad right now. The reason why I don't like Geek Squad is because there's a lot of miscommunication between each technician and between each representative. Each person tells me something different. It's very frustrating. I have a child. I have to turn the TV on to get him to wake up in the morning. It's a struggle. And if I don't have a TV that works, Anyway, if you're trying to decide on a TV, do not purchase an LG TV. The one guy that came said that this specific TV was having issues last year. So don't pick this TV. I also have a Sharp TV, which has been pretty good to me. Samsung is pretty good from what I hear. Boo to LG. So we're gonna start a new thing. To whoever comments on our videos. If you comment on this video, you'll get a shout out the next time. So
the first shout out is to
DJ Raw Bass for commenting on my last video. The second shout out goes to
Gigi Holmes.
Gigi Holmes, thanks for watching.
And
you've been watching since day one, so I appreciate it. Okay, third shout out goes to Jerry Sinatra. Because you commented on my last video. Get it? Thank you guys for watching. Don't buy LG TV. Okay, bye guys.
No, wait. Oh, my papusas. And Vic, on the next video, comment down below.
Comment down below.
Sorry.
Thank you for apologizing.
Sorry.
My food just came.